In this video, I'll show you how to make a Canva presentation like a pro. First, log into your Canva account, and then this is your dashboard. You will land to the Canva dashboard, and this is your Canva dashboard. Now, click the template section, and now search presentation, presentation, and click here. It will bring you to the page of all of the presentation templates available for you. So these are all of the presentation. Now you can start with any of the presentation and customize it as per your requirement, or you can start from a blank presentation. Let's say I want to click here to start from a blank presentation. So this is your blank presentation, and now you can either add any of the slides. Let's say I want to add second slide, and I want to add third slide, and add elements in your first slide, add elements in your second slide, add elements in your third slides. If you don't want to design your presentation from the scratch, then just delete everything and keep only one slide. And now click the design button, and here search by any types of your related keyword. Let's say I want to create a marketing strategy presentation. So here search marketing strategy, and you will find a lot of marketing strategy related presentation for you. You just need to adjust some of the little things if you want to start from a template. All of the templates are very much related to your content now. So let's say I want to choose this template. So click here, and it will preview all of the slides available for you. If everything is suits to your objectives, then click apply all 10 pages, and it will bring you to your canvas. Now see how good this presentation. It is almost ready to use presentation. You can just little tweak, just change your logo, change your information, and change the title. Replace the title by your own title, replace the description, replace the information and everything. If you need to change the color of your presentation, you can easily change the color. Let's say you want to change this color to a this color. You can easily do it, and you also want to change this color as well. So you can easily do it. Let's say I want to change this color as well. This color, and the logo color is this color, and here you can change color by your own choice. So this is pretty simple. And now adjust all of your content based on your requirement. Change the logo, change the elements, or change the website URL and everything you want. Once everything is done, you can just click the presentation button to see or to present it. Present full screen. Click here and click presentation, and now your presentation is almost ready. Just click here to see one by one each presentation. So if you need to change anything, you can make the adjustment very easily. So once everything is done, if you want to add any slide at the last, you can add it. Click here. So now you can adjust it with the previous template. Copy the previous content and design, and then add your own content now. So let's say I want to add thank you. So add it. If you want to get this slide in the middle of your presentation slides, then you can drag it to change the position of your slide. It's very simple. You can move it anywhere you can, or anywhere you want. Once everything is perfectly done and your presentation is complete, then you just need to click here to share button and click here. You can either download your presentation as a PDF file. So click here, standard PDF standard, and just download. Or if you want to download your presentation as the PPT, then you just need to click it as a PPTX. So PPTX is like the PowerPoint presentation format. So let's say I want to download it as pptx. So now here you need to select all of the pages. So here you see 1 to 11 number pages, all of the pages are selected. And now click the download button, and once everything is done, just click download, and it will be downloaded very soon. Just wait. Your presentation is completely downloaded, and now if you want to open it, just click here, and it is opening from the Microsoft PowerPoint. So see, your presentation is ready to go. You can play it here, or if you want to adjust it, you can also adjust your presentation. Let's say I want to add another slide. Just add a duplicate slide and add anything you want to change. So it is that simple. This way you can make presentation in Canva like a pro. In this video, I've shown you how to make Canva presentation like a pro. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below. I'll read and reply your comment. Thank you.